Hello students, example 1.24. If f of x is equal to 2x plus 3, g of x is equal to 1 minus 2x and h of x is equal to 3x, prove that FOGOH is equal to FOGOH. So, in our previous questions, right, we saw the composition of two functions. Right, but here composition of three functions. That is the only difference here. Right. So in our previous question we have only two functions, f of x and g of x. So only we found out fog and goff. Here we have f of x, h of x and g of x. Sorry, f of x, g of x and h of x. We have three functions here. So this is composition of three functions. So this is also very simple. Same way, so we know how to find fog and goff or GOH, whatever it may be. This is composition of two functions. This is composition of three functions, right? So it is very simple. So for example, 2 into 2 is what? 4. This is product of two values. So we can directly find out 2 into 2 is equal to 4. But what about product of three values? 2 into 2 into 2. So, first we have to find the product of any two any two values first. So first 2 into 2, 4. After that, we have to multiply that answer with the remaining value. So, 2 into 4 is 8. Therefore, 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. The same way we are going to apply here also. First, we are going to find out this one, GOH. After that, we are going to find out FOGOH. The same way here also. We have to find out FOG. After that, we have to find out FOGOH. So before going to the problem, so one thing you have to understand clearly. Listen carefully. For example, f of x is equal to x minus 1. Find out f of 2. So what we have to do? We have to substitute this 2 in the place of f of x. Why it is f of x? Because f of x is outside. So please remain this one. Please understand this one. F and inner portion is 2 and this one is outer portion f. Always we should substitute the second one into the first one. Right? What is the second one here? 2. So we have to substitute this 2 in the first one. What is first one? F. F means f of x, right? So please, so what is f of 2 here? We have to substitute 2 in the place of x. So 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, right? So please remember this one. Always we have to substitute second one into the first one, right? So let's get into the problem. So first we have to prove that this f of GOH is equal to f of GOH. So very simple. First we will find out the first one. What is the first one? FOGOH. So first step we have to find out this g of h first. After that we will substitute the value here in this whole thing, right? So first take this one separately. What is that? GOH. So now it looks like the same previous problems, right? What is that? Composition of two functions. So how to convert this one g for this o of, so convert this into separate function. So h of x, right? Now the same way. What is h of x? H of x is 3x here. So substitute. So g of h of x means g of 3x, right? Here what is the second one? Okay, now write this g of 3x here. So which means what I told you now, always substitute the second one into first one. What is the second one? 3x. What is the first one? G. G means g of x, which means we have to substitute this 3x into g of x, right? So substitute 3x in the place of x in g of x. So what is g of x? 1 minus 2x. So 1 minus 2 into, in the place of x we have to substitute this 3x. 3x, right? Okay. So what is 1 minus 2 into 3x? 1 minus 2 into 3x is 6x. Therefore, what is this one? This is nothing but GOH. This is nothing but GOH, that is this one. So now we have to substitute this answer in the place of G of H. So what is that? FOGOH. So what is G of H here? 1 minus 6x, right? Therefore FO 1 minus 6x. What will be this O? This O is nothing but of 1 minus 6x, right? Very simple. So f of 1 minus 6x now. So how to find the value of f of 1 minus 6x? It is very simple. F of 1 minus 6x. So always substitute the second one into first one. What is the first one here? F. F means f of x. So we have to substitute 1 minus 6x in the place of x in f of x. So f of x is what? 2x plus 3. So 2 into, in the place of x we have to substitute this 1 minus 6x. So 1 minus 6x plus 3. So this 2 is common for both this term. So multiply inside. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into minus 6x is minus 12x plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5 minus 12x. That's all. So this is the value of FOGOH. Understand? So very simple. The same way, FOGOH, composition of three functions. First find out composition of two functions and convert it into a simple value and substitute here, and again find the remaining value, right? Very simple. Now we found out the value of this one, FOGOH. So now we have to find out the value of FOGOH. And listen, one more thing. So in this subdivision, in this term, we found out GOH first, because GOH in the bracket. Using Bodmer's rule, we have to find out the brackets first. The same way here, FOGOH, right? FOGOH. So here what we should find out first? FOG, because it is in the bracket. So find out FOG. So how can we convert this one? F of G of X, right? So this O of and this G of X, and F of G of X implies, what is G of X value here? 1 minus 2x. Therefore F of 1 minus 2x. So now we have to find out the value of f of 1 minus 2x. So how to find that? Substitute the second value in the first one. Second value is 1 minus 2x. What is the first one? F. F means f of x. What is f of x? 2x plus 3. Which means we have to substitute this 1 minus 2x in x, in the place of x, in f of x. What is f of x? 2 into x plus 3. So 2 into, in the place of x, we have to substitute this 1 minus 2x. Right? 2 into 1 minus 2x. After that plus 3. So plus 3. Now multiply this 2 inside. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into minus 2x is minus 4x plus 3. So what is 2 plus 3? 5 minus 4x. This is the value of fog. Right? Substitute this fog value here. So how to substitute this one? Okay. 5 minus 4x. 5 minus 4x OH. So now we have to convert this O and this H. So it becomes 5 minus 4x for this O, put one bracket. This is what? H. So separate, convert it as separate function. That is H of x. It becomes 5 minus 4x. What is H of x value here? H of x value is 3x. So 3x. So now we have to find out the value for this one. So after, look at this one. Don't simply multiply this both the terms, right? So this is a function. F 5 minus 4x OH, right? We found out the value of fog. Substitute the value in this place. 5 minus 4x OH. H means what? H of x. What is the value of H of x? 3x. 3x, right? So now this only is the trickiest part, right? So always I told you, substitute the second value in the first one. Here what is second value? 3x. So we have to substitute the 3x in this value in the place of x. So very simple. So what is the first one? 5 minus 4x, right? So in the place of x, we have to substitute the second value. What is that? 3x. Therefore 5 minus 4 into 3x. So 4 into 3x is what? 12x, right? So this is the value of f of g o h, right? So in this step you may have some confusion. So it is very easy, right? Very simple. FOG OH. First find out FOG value. Substitute here OH. O means of, H means h of x. H of x value is 3x. Substitute here. So now if you see this value, some of them multiply this value. 5 into 3x, 15x, minus 4x into 3x, minus 12x square, whatever, right? So don't do that one. So in our previous subdivisions, what we did, substitute the second one into the first one. Here both the values are in a terms, right? So second one is what? 3x. First one is 5 minus 4x. Substitute the 3x in the first value in the place of x. Therefore 5 minus 4 into, in the place of x, we have to substitute this one, 3x. 5 minus 4 into 3x is 5 minus 12x. Now if you look at FOGOH and FOGOH, both the values are same, 5 minus 12x. Therefore FOGOH is equal to FOGOH. Both are equal. Hence it is proved, right? So that's all about this problem. Thank you.